Hello everyone, I'm going to present another problem of JavaScript. So here is a code snippet. I will provide the output at the end, and now we are proceeding a detailed explanation of the problem. So in the first case you see console log and you are taking an empty array plus a string. So here empty array means you have an empty string plus empty string should be an empty string plus 1. So here you get the output should be empty string plus 1 should be 1. Another case when you are taking console log true plus false. So true means 1 and false means 0. So the output should be 1. Another case when you have a true and false, the output should be 1 and 1 is greater than 1, not possible. So we receive false. Here is the example of floating point. So here you can see when you are making a comparison this value and comparison with 0.3. So here we have a floating value. So directly when you get an output, so it should be 0.30000 some value. So here we receive false. Here in the case of console log, you have a function and then you have a return value and then you invoke. So here what is going to be happen? So we will sorry. So here we have an x and x. This is an identity function and then we pass as an x. So here we return the value of 5. So here when you call the x, so it will return the value of 5. And the last case, here you can see console log, we have an empty array and double equal to false. So here you can see empty array means is an empty string and empty string means a 0, 0 means false. So this condition should be true. Now another conditions, now here we receive true and now we are comparing with not operator with an empty array. So empty array which is always receive true. So here you received not, so it should be false. So here we get true and here we get false. When you are comparing true with false, it should be false. So now we can see the output. Here you can see 1 and 1, false, false, 5 and false. Here you can see 1 and 1, false, false, 5, this one. Here you can see 1 and 1, false, false, and here you receive 5 and here we have false. Okay, thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe.